showing you how to make a locker bone, which can be put into your locker. Now this one I bought was a 12-inch, so it's pretty good. It's the one I have. So when you open it and check how it is, oh wow, it's not very bad. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a middle piece, which looks like this, and you're going to need 2 of them, okay? So 2 of them. So you can see, we have 2 right here. Put this to the side for later. And then the next thing you will need is 2 side pieces. This will also be for later. The last thing you will need are 4 side pieces, all right? This is what one piece looks like. You see? It's one side piece. Put this to the side. The last thing you'll need is a middle divider that goes between your main shelves. All right? So I'll just move this box to the side. And let's begin. So first we'll want to start off with the side piece. By knowing which way you have to hold it, there's an arrow right at the bottom. You might not be able to see it. You see it right here. That is pointing up, which means that you should be facing it this way. All right? So now what you want to do to connect them is you want to make sure they're both pointing up, which they are, and then just find where they connect, match it, and just clip it in. Watch how easy this is. Done. Saw that? Literally 2 seconds it took. Not even coming off. See this? So firm. Not coming off. So now what you want to do is you want to put this to the side. And you want to do the same thing to the other side. Once you get that, then you want to put this side on the other side as well, on the left side, and then leave it there. Now, the next step is to take one of the main shelves. Now for this main shelf, you could put it wherever you want, either on the bottom, in the middle, or on the top. I prefer doing it around the middle and top, so about right here is good. But you could choose, it doesn't matter. And then my next one could go, I don't know, maybe here. Just slide it in. Easy to put in. Super easy. And then this is your middle piece. Alright? Now what you want to do with this is you want to get this between these two so it's standing. Alright? So what you want to do is you want to lift this a little up. Turn it to the side, lift it up, lock it in place, and lock it back. And pretty much that's all. It's very firm, see? If I didn't put that, it would have fallen instantly. Plus, you could put smaller shelves, which I'm getting right into right now. And the last step is to put smaller shelves. Now, you could put the smaller shelves anywhere you want in these 2 columns, right? So, let's say I'll put it right here. And that's one shelf. And then the next shelf, you could put it in, I don't know, at the top, over here. And then, for example, I could put my pencil case here, maybe a folder here, some binders down here, and my lunchbox here. You could change it up. If you want, you don't even have to have all the shelves. You could take this one out and throw it out and make it just for binders. If you want, you could do the same thing here. Just all you have to do to take it out is pick it up, move it to the side, turn it. Done. Put it back, find a gap, slide it in, put it down. That's all you really need to do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe over here. If you want to watch other videos, click over here.